Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today we're outside in the yard again. I'm going to be using my hedge trimmer to cut these bushes here. I'm going to do the first bush in real time so you can see exactly how fast this really does cut. This is the DeWALT Hedge trimmer. It's got a 22-inch cut on it. It uses a 20-volt battery. So I have a lot of DeWALT tools for my woodworking shop, and I also use them a lot in my yard work. You know, once you start getting the batteries, it's really easy to go from woodworking to yard working and use the same batteries, which is what I really like. I'm also very happy with the quality of DeWALT tools. This is not sponsored. I buy all these tools with my own money. So let's get to it, and I'll trim this bush and you can see it. And I'd like these sunglasses. They're actually safety glasses. They're DeWALT also. So they look pretty cool, but they're very functional. And the days like today when it's a little bit sunny out, it's really nice. And so yeah, I'll link these. I'll link this too in the description below. So let's get busy. So there you go, and roughly about 3 minutes, I was able to trim this bush here. I haven't done the top yet, but this bush is about 5 feet tall, 4.5, 5 feet tall probably, and it's about 4 feet in circumference or diameter, 4 feet across. So I got another tool that I actually use to cut the tops off. Okay, so this hedge trimmer is on a pole, as you can see. The cutting is also 22 inches, so it's the same cut as before. This one, you can have it straight. You push the button right here, and it tilts. It tilts like that. I'll probably use about on a 45-degree angle one or so. A little bit on the angle. Let's see if there's no setting here. I'm gonna use this one right here to get up there on the top. So it uses a 20-volt battery again. And it's good reach. I don't know what it is, 4 or 5 feet long, the reach. So it easily gets on top of bushes. So between these two DeWALT hedge trimmers, this works really, really good for going right along and getting your hedges or your bushes trimmed really quick and easy. So now I'm gonna trim the top of it. as you can see there's no like stretching or straining or anything like that. It's just very easy, very convenient way to reach up there and get on top of those bushes. No step ladders. I stand on the ground all the time, and then I just take a rake and rake off the top, and it works really nice. In fact, I'll get my rake right now. So I just use a basic lawn rake and just rake off the top of the bush. So I'm kind of aggressive when I'm raking, and the reason for that is because anything up there I want it to fly and fly off. And also, if you're a little bit aggressive, anything that's not cut will kind of pop up, and then I'll see it and I go trim it again. Just kind of touch it up a little bit, you know. And the reason I rake the top off is because anything that you cut right now in a few days is going to turn brown, and that becomes kind of unsightly in my opinion. So I like to get them off. So I just like to get them off of there, and so it looks better down the road. Oh, and you gotta know by now, if you follow my channel, I kind of like time lapses. I did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bushes. This one's kind of a small bush, but 4.5 bushes. I'm not sure how long it took. I'm guessing a half hour, no more than 45 minutes, I don't think, but probably about half hour. And so it knocks out between these two hedge trimmers from DeWALT. Between these two hedge trimmers from DeWALT, it knocks out the work really quick and easy. You don't have to get up on any ladders. Just stay on the ground. And it works out real nice. Now I just gotta go get my tractor, my trailer, rake it up. Like I said before, throw it on the trailer, take it back to the woods, and the rabbits will like it back there.